Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to find where the fuse for the TPMS system, also known as tire pressure monitor system, is located. Stay with us, we will show you how to get to it, how to remove it, because it's a little bit tricky. Before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get all that for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. And you wonder why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing guys, we're planning on making at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos that will be on that Hyundai Sonata that will be published on this channel you're watching now, Electrical Car Repair Live. In addition, we'll have more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole car apart, anything from engine, bumper, body parts, interior, and all that will be uploaded on our main YouTube channel. It's called Auto Repair Guys, right there. So check it out, we have helped more than 100 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs. So with that being said, 2013 Hyundai Sonata, TPMS sensors, you can see, let's find where that fuse actually is located now. You need to come right here, and this is your fuse box. We need to open it guys, you have one tab here, one there, squish and pull up. Okay, like that, pull up, perfect. Right here you're going to have a fuse puller, and how you're going to actually go ahead and remove that fuse puller, squish and pull it out. Now, you may need that fuse puller or you may not, but if you need it, that's where it's located for the interior fuses. Now, let's explain, okay, where that TPMS sensor, TPMS fuse is located. You come right here guys on your Sonata next to the steering wheel, you come that way, and you're going to find, okay, a fuse box right here. Open that lid, and you're going to see quite a few fuses guys, okay, right here now. Quite a few fuses. The fuse that you need to check guys, if you look at it that way, check it out, okay, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it will be 6 fuse, okay, that assembly right here. The 10 amp fuse guys is the one that we need to check on the top fuse in that assembly. But how you guys remove that thing? First you need to grab and pull out, then it will come out and stop, and then you need to press in. So that's what I will be doing now. Okay, let me pull it out and I will demonstrate how I did it guys. Pretty simple. You first grab it, okay, it comes out up to a specific location and it stops. Then you need to grab right here with the fingers on the sides, press in and pull it out. So you first pull out, then you press in and you pull out more, you can see. Now, this is the fuse that we have. If you need to remove it, just get this fuse out. Okay, and that's the only fuse, okay, responsible for the tire pressure monitor system. How we know if it's good or bad? You check the element inside. Sometimes it's really hard to tell, so we made a special video that explains how to test the car fuse, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below, because guys, if you actually don't know for sure if that fuse is good or bad, okay, let's say you think it's a good fuse, you keep putting more money in your car, what will happen guys? You're just wasting your time and money. All we had to do for a few seconds to test your fuse and find out if it's good or bad. So if you need a replacement one, we'll put the link where you can get all that from for a really good price and affordable shipping as well. When you are ready, go ahead, grab it and push it in. So don't forget to put your cover back on, okay, and you're practically ready to go. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.